guys, let's try out the new, I don't know if it's new, but it's the Klein Tools 56413 0522A D1 rechargeable flashlight. Got this at Nika. So without any flash on the camera, as you can see, we're just gonna try out this flashlight. I'm gonna take out the trash here to the street. So let's, oh dang, not bad. It looks a lot better on camera. It doesn't look like it goes as far. I think there's only an on and off. No laser. I don't know if you can twist this. I don't think it adjusts like the mag lights or whatever. There's no like scope on that, but looks pretty good. I mean, it's better than nothing, but I think it's pretty good. Not like super amazing, but yeah, pretty sweet. All right, so taking a closer look, if you look at it, it looks amazing. It feels amazing. Aluminum, really nice grip right here, heavy. Taking a closer look at the back of the box, has a whole bunch of features that I did not even know about. It does have actually 3 different settings and a red LED. I don't know what that means. I don't know how to figure that out. I haven't read the instructions, which are inside the holster right here. So it comes with a holster. You can like put this through your belt or whatever. It comes with a charging cord. To plug the cord in and charge it is right here. But some of the features are 3 different lighting settings. Long range, focus, long range, and a wide white floodlight. Drop rating 6 feet, magnetic end cap, which is crazy. I didn't even know about that. Huge magnet right here. That's crazy. Look at that, that's sick. So you can use that if you're working in an electrical room or something like that, anywhere on the ceiling. Last mode on and off, and the battery light right here, which goes green, yellow, or red. I've never charged this since I got it. I've only turned it on like twice, so I think mine's about to die. It's on red, but I don't know what the red LED means. So that's the high mode right there. That's the high mode. I guess that was off. So that's high mode, medium mode, and then this is just like a ring light, kind of. Can't even really see that, but it's a ring light. So yeah, 3 different settings. I guess it's just kind of high, medium, low. But that's it. I really like it. I don't know how long I do know how long it lasts for. It says the settings right here. Spotlight on high for 4 hours. It tells you the lumens, I think, as well. The floodlight, 6 hours, and 96 hours on red LED. I don't even know what that means. I don't know if that's the lowest setting. That sounds like a lot of hours. I don't know if that's right, but anyways, somewhere between 4, 6, and 96 hours for the 3 different settings. So I don't actually know the price on these. I didn't buy them. I got these from Nika, but if you guys drop a comment, I'll give this one away to someone in the comments in like a week. So if you guys want to win one of these and you made it this far in the video, drop a comment and I'll do a random comment generator with the people that entered. Just drop one comment saying that you want to enter, and that's it. So yeah, I'll give this one away, and yeah, and then yeah, I'll just message you back on the comments. And see, that's the red mode. I don't know how to do the red mode, but anyways, drop a comment, and if you want to win it, I'll pick someone. So yeah, see you guys in a week. Thanks for watching.